Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make an oxygen tank for fish. First, gather your materials, which typically include an air pump, air stone, and tubing. These components work together to introduce vital oxygen into your aquarium water. Maintaining adequate oxygen is crucial for your fish's health and overall well-being. We'll explore several easy-to-follow steps to ensure your aquatic friends thrive in a well-oxygenated environment. Let's get started. To set up your air pump system, begin by attaching one end of the air tubing to the air pump's outlet. Then, connect the other end of the tubing to your air stone. Carefully place the air stone at the bottom of your aquarium, ensuring it's fully submerged. Position the air pump itself above the water line to prevent any water from siphoning back into the pump, which could cause damage. This simple setup creates a steady stream of oxygen bubbles. Another fantastic cloud gaming option is NVIDIA GeForce Now. This service also streams Fortnite directly to your iPhone via your web browser. You'll need to create a GeForce Now account to get started. They offer both free and paid membership tiers. The free tier provides 1-hour gaming sessions, while paid tiers offer longer sessions and priority access. You can choose to play using either a connected Bluetooth controller or the on-screen touch controls, depending on your preference. Live aquatic plants are fantastic natural oxygen producers during daylight hours. Consider adding a variety of plants like anubias or java fern to your tank. Remember to perform regular partial water changes, about 25% weekly, to keep the water clean and oxygen-rich. Also, avoid overfeeding your fish and overcrowding the tank, as these factors can quickly deplete dissolved oxygen. A healthy, balanced environment is key for happy, oxygenated fish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.